Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see deleted messages in Messenger. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you want to check your archives, okay? So go ahead and open up your Messenger and tap on the menu right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now tap on Archive, okay? Once done, go ahead and review the list right here. You might be able to see one of your deleted or hidden chats. Now, if you can't find your messages right here or deleted messages, go ahead and open up facebook.com or your Facebook app, like so. Now go to the top right, tap on the menu button, now tap on Settings. Once you tap on Settings, just go ahead and tap on See More in Account Center. Scroll down, tap on Your Information Permissions right here. Now go ahead and tap on Export Your Information. Okay, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just go ahead and tap on Create Export. Now go ahead and select the account. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select Facebook right here. Export to device or export external service. I'm going to go ahead and tap on Export to device. Now in here, what you do is just go ahead and select who to notify. And most importantly, the date range. I'm just going to go ahead and select last week. Hit on Save. Customize information right here. So I'm just going to leave it to messages. Okay, hit on Save. Start export. Now type down your password. Hit on Continue. Wait for it to load. Now it says here, already requested. Now what you're going to do to download this specific file is that you're going to want to go back to the same exact page right here, okay? Under Account Center. Again, export your information right here and you'll be able to see it. All right, you'll be able to see a download button right here. So download it and open it via Notepad or whatever means that you have on your phone. Okay. Also, you'll be notified on your email account that your export is ready for download. All right. So that is it. Just go ahead and locate the messages section and you'll be good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.